Pharmaceutical science at USW is for those learners who really have passion for science, particularly chemistry, and have interest in designing and developing drugs. So if you have that sort of thing in your mind, then this is absolutely the right choice for you. Through our program, there are a few strands that run in parallel. For example, we teach students chemistry, organic, inorganic, and physical chemistry, along with analytical and formulation science, along with biological sciences. We also focus on quality control in pharma industry. Students generally enjoy hands-on experience. When they work in the laboratory, we train them in small groups. We give them full support around instrumentation, for example, NMR, PCMS, HPLC, and we have a range of analytical instrumentation in the area of pharmaceutics, for example, the solution tester, disintegration tester, along with other instruments that are cutting edge and that you see in pharma industry. Through our program, we prepare students to pick up transferable skills along with theoretical and practical skills that they can successfully translate into other careers.